What's up guys, welcome to the Detail Garage. As you can tell by the title, today we're going over how and why it's so important to wax your vehicle. Now especially on red, just as this Miata is, red it stains and fades very fast due to sun damage, so it's important to have a nice layer of sealant, a protective coating, or especially something like wax, which not only adds shine, but more importantly it's going to add paint protection. So to start off, today we washed this vehicle using Extreme Body Wash and Wax, which removed the light layer of dust and a little bit of debris that it had on the surface. And then we gave it a light clay bar treatment because the car, it kind of gets detailed periodically and it also sits inside a lot, so it's not very contaminated. That gave it a nice smooth feeling, and it also pulled the impurities out of the paint. And if you want to take it a step further, you can also polish your car, but on this car, it was polished incorrectly at one point in its life and the edges are burned, and also on some of the contours, the paint has kind of been removed, so we don't want to take any more paint off. So we're going to add on a nice layer of wax, and more specifically, a layer of XXX Hardcore Paste Wax. Now the difference between a paste wax and a cream wax is this is going to be a little bit thicker, so it's going to give it a thicker bond, but it's not going to last as long as a synthetic cream would be. But you're still going to get that same great shine. This is more of a natural carnauba, and all you have to do is just add a little bit to your applicator. And specifically when you're using a bleached carnauba such as this one, you can only do it by hand. It would be very difficult to put it on by machine. And just like you would with any kind of protective coating or even your polishes, you just want to spread it out and then work it back and forth. You can use a cross-hatching pattern to cover the entire surface. But you want to make sure that you're adding a very thin, fine coat, because this is going to not only save you time, product, and effort, but when you're buffing it off, this will be a lot easier than as opposed to a very thick coat would be. A lot of people tend to think that a thicker coat or a heavier coat is going to give you more shine or more protection, but in reality, only the initial coat that's touching the paint is what's going to give you the shine and protection. Unfortunately, the rest is going to be buffed off. So you can do multiple coats, but to start off, you just want to put a very fine coat, just kind of a thin film, and then you're going to let that haze for about 15 to 20 minutes and then buff it off. So I'm going to work my way around the rest of the vehicle. I still need to take the bra off and then I can coat the bumper, but I hear there's some kind of chips and cracking underneath there, so we'll be very gentle with that. Then we'll buff it off and really unveil that high shine. But if you guys want to learn more about these products, go over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or to your local detail garage to get some product advice and some hands-on material. If you like this car or this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment down below on future videos you want to see. And as always, we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.